Data types in Python for beginners. Python has 3 built-in numerical data types: integers, floats, and complex numbers. Each type stores numbers differently and is suited for specific tasks. 1. Integers. Whole numbers, positive, negative, or 0, without decimal points. Examples: 10, minus 23, 9,999. Used for counting, indexing, or representing exact quantities. 2. Floats. Numbers with decimal points. Examples: 3.14, minus 12.5, 1.0 times 10 to the 6, scientific notation. Used for representing continuous values, measurements, or calculations with decimals. 3. Complex numbers. Numbers with a real and an imaginary part, represented by j. Examples: 1 plus 2j, 3 to 5j, 0j. Used for advanced mathematical calculations and scientific applications. Choosing the right data type. Use integers for exact counts, whole numbers, or indexing. Use floats for continuous values, measurements, or calculations with decimals. Use complex numbers only if your program requires complex number operations. Additional notes: Python automatically determines the data type based on the assigned value. You can explicitly convert between data types using functions like int, float, and complex. Be mindful of precision limitations when using floats, especially for financial calculations. Remember, choosing the right data type is crucial for efficient and accurate code. By understanding the differences and applications of each type, you can write better Python programs. I hope these explanations and examples are helpful for you as a Python student. Feel free to ask if you have any further questions.